All right, this is a recording of things I would buy and own again and again. This is Michelin tires on my truck. If we come here, you can look and see there are 18. This is 18-inch tires. And I'm going to come around and rotate this way. And there it says LT275/70R18 125/22S. And it has the same number there, AT550 kPa, that's pressure. I have a brand new set on here I got at Costco. They installed it. And to be brutally honest, this is the third or fourth set of these tires I placed on this truck. And the truck has, I need to check the brakes. You see all that dirt there? That's not dirt, that's metal particulates there. And I need to check those out. But Costco did a good deal. These tires were close to $1,400 for 4 of them, and you think, my goodness, that's expensive. It is. But the truck is also, and when you're driving down the road at the proper speed limit, 55 or maybe 80, 85 or a little higher, you need good rubber and good brakes. Thanks for watching. Oh, plus you get discounts and all that other stuff at Costco.